Morning. We're here in a place called Annapolis, Maryland here this morning, doing a tear off. We're going to be going back with a duration 50-year shingle from Owens Corning's. The shingles that we're tearing off were a 25-year shingle. Homeowner was having some leaks, and it was about time for a roof replacement. And so, yeah, what you see our guys doing is tearing the roof off. We'll be putting down a synthetic underlayment, ice and water shield, and then going back with the shingles. And this roof will carry a 50-year material warranty from the manufacturer when we get finished with it, and a 10-year workmanship warranty from the manufacturer, because we are Owens Corning's preferred contractors. So if you can use this service, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Look us up on our YouTube channel or call 410-799-1600 or go to KangaRoof.com. Thank you and have a great day.